Successfully, I have sent a test message to my personal number. You can see I have received a message in my personal number. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to onboard into the Meta's or Facebook developer portal and how to start to using the WhatsApp Cloud API. So you guys see, in order to work with the Meta's product, we need to create and set up developer account. So I just click getting started in the right top. So this is under the developer.facebook.com. So welcome to the Meta developers, and I just click continue. First I need to verify my account, so I am entering my mobile number. I just click send verification SMS. So I got an OTP, so I just click continue. This is my email address and I just click confirm email. So I am a developer, so I am choosing this one and I just click complete registration. I have successfully completed the registration of the Meta developers account. So I'm going to create an app. I just click create app. I close this one. So I'm going to give an app name. The app name is tutorial setup and app contact email. I keep it as it is and I just click next. This is app use case. So you can able to see Meta having lot of products, right? So almost 19 products. In my case, I'm going to choose the WhatsApp. So if you sit WhatsApp, you have to see business messaging. So if we choose the business messaging, Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. So my objective is to work with the WhatsApp Cloud API. So I just tick this one, click next. Which business portfolio do you want to connect this app? So here you can able to see, as a new user, you don't have any business portfolio. So what I'm going to do is I just click this one. Here business portfolio name, the contact information and business email. So here I'm going to name it as educational tutorials and contact information, and I just click create portfolio. The educational tutorials are created. I will going to do the verification later. I just click verify later, and now I can able to choose the educational tutorials and I just click next, because if you want to create and develop an account, that should associated with the one business portfolio. So publishing requirements, these are the steps you need to complete to get and maintain access to the user's business data. So no requirements identified. This may change if you add more to this app. So I just click next. I just click the go to dashboard. It's asking to re-enter the password. I just click submit. So this dashboard is so different than the previous dashboards. So I just close this one. App customization and requirements. Customize the connect with customer through the WhatsApp use case. So I just go into this one. I just close this pop-up. This is the business portfolio we have created and I just click continue. So I have successfully set up that WhatsApp business platform and it's saying start using the API. So you can able to see become a tech provider, improve ROI with marketing messages with optimization. There are a lot more, right? So in my case, I just click the start using the API. So I just close this one. So you guys see in the left side API setup. In the right side, I can able to see access token, send and receive messages, select phone numbers. So by default, Meta is providing a test number. So in the two section, you can add your number and do the testing. So here I need to generate a token for sending the message. So I just click generate access token. So I click continue as with my profile name. So here this is a test number I am going to choose in this one. So I just click continue. So I just click save. Click got it. So the access token has been generated and this is the from number. So I am going to add my to number. So I just click manage phone number list, country code, and this is my personal number currently I am using. Click next. This is a verification code I have received and I just copy. I paste it here and click next. So now I have successfully added that to number. So I just scroll down, send message. I just click send message. Successfully I have sent a test message to my personal number. You can see I have received a message in my personal number. In my objective is to work with this thing and creating apps on top of this WhatsApp Cloud API. This is a third version of my video. So let's go to that configuration and check what are the updates they have done as so far. So this is for the getting the information via the webhook and everything, and permanent token and phone numbers and test account. Under the resources, let's check. So they are offering some developer documentation, contact support and tech provider onboarding. What is tech provider onboarding? If you want to build any application on top of this Meta and giving the service to other people, first you have to verify your business. So once you have completed the verification, then you need to onboard as a tech provider. So once you onboard as a tech provider, then you can able to create a SaaS application or any kind of common application. So end user can use the application via using the embedded sign up. Those who don't know what is embedded sign up is the best way to onboard the customers using the Facebook login. So someday you might see login with Facebook. That is the embedded sign up. And that's all for this video, guys. So from the next video, I'm going to tell you guys and each and everything. And thank you so much.